Here is the Hyundai Elantra. Let's go ahead and get started. Open up the passenger side door. Now we need to open up the glove box, and whatever you have in the glove box, just take it out because we'll be taking the glove box down. Now there's two stoppers, one on each side, which are still keeping the glove box in place. See, there's one right over here. We need to squeeze the glove box in and then pull it down. So one of them is down. Same thing on the other side. Just squeeze the glove box in and then pull the glove box down. And at this point, the glove box should just come right out and just drop it. And I'll just set it aside. Now squeeze this clip and pull this cover out. The other side of the cover comes out at an angle. It slides out from that slot there. Now that's the filter. Just grab the filter and then pull it out straight, and it should just slide right out. The airflow directions from top to bottom. The top side is the dirty side. As you can see, all the dirt is trapped there. The bottom side is the clean side. So outside air comes from the top, gets filtered, and then from the bottom goes in the vehicle. So that when you pull the filter out, all the dirt stays trapped on the filter and comes out with the filter. Check the link in the description to buy the new one from Amazon, and then let's put it back inside there with the airflow direction pointing from top to bottom, just the way I'm showing. Once it's in place, the filter should not be sticking out over there. See, this is fully in place, it's not sticking out. Now let's put this side of the cover in first. That tab goes into that slot at an angle, and the other side just goes on. Press it down to secure it, and that's good. Now these cutouts go onto the hinges right over there, and it only goes on when the glove box is parallel to the floor. See, just the way I'm showing. If you do this at an angle, the cutouts will not go onto the hinges, right? See, once it goes in, it sits in, and now we need to push the glove box back into position. And when you're doing this, what you have to do is one hand pushes the glove box closed and one hand pushes the cutouts onto the hinges, so the cutouts don't slip off the hinges. Pushes closed, and other hand just pushes down on, so that way the glove box doesn't slip off the hinges. This is looking good. Let's try this one more time, and that's it. Hope you found the video useful. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in the description for their entire inventory.